Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com. Now we have our printer, we've already unpacked it, we've checked all the bolts in it to make sure it was tight, make sure no motors were loose or anything like that. So the first thing we want to do now is on the left side of the printer, this being the face, this being the left side, there's a supply bolt in here that's called a cap screw. You're going to want to turn this out and get the supplied Allen wrench that fits this bolt, the cap screw, just like this. In a plastic bag, you're going to find a spool holder. You're going to take this bolt, insert it in, push it in there, and then you can take it and get it started. Take your supplied Allen wrench, turn that a few turns. A lot of times I like to, if it sticks in there tight, I can easily spin this around. I'll push that out of my way. Then when I get pretty close, remember, with everything with plastic, you do not want to Gorilla tighten it. I know this is a GorillaMaker, but we want to make it tight, as in what we call around the shop monkey tight, which is very light. So this is almost correct. Turn the wrench the other way so I can get a little leverage on it. Okay, so I'm going to line that up where it looks straight to me. Give it a couple turns. If I touch this, it doesn't move around. I can grab it and move it a little bit. So you know if you can grab it and move it, but if you touch it and it doesn't move, it's tight enough. The second thing we have to do is inside the shipping box, there was a plastic bag that had this filament tube. You're going to see this bracket right here on the same left side. You're going to take this tube and you're going to push it down in that hole to where a little bit sticks out the bottom, just like that. You're going to take the other side of the tube, and at the top of the extruder, you're going to see that porthole right there. And you're going to take this and just gently slide it into the porthole. Now, your GM3D200 is ready for you to put filament in.